Raising children in a fast paced, techno savvy world like today can certainly be challenging. As a result, somehow, somewhere down the line, we forget to teach our children about our beautiful planet and its other inhabitants. Topic of ecosystem and step towards its conservation in itself is a very large topic, so here in this video we will discuss only about climate change in brief. Global warming is a term used to describe an increase in the Earth's temperature from, in part, humans releasing large amount of carbon dioxide into the air. Scientists believe that this will lead to climate change, a warmer Earth that will have many bad effects on living things on the planet, including us. Some changes scientists expect include altered rainfall patterns, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and numerous other impacts on animals and plants. So, what can you do about climate change? You can slow down the climate change. Ways you can slow climate change by decreasing your carbon footprints. Planting trees is a fun way to act green and to help the environment. All trees, as you know, make oxygen and take away carbon dioxide. They also hold the soil with their roots and shade and shelter for the wildlife, cool the air temperature and lower the noise pollution and block the wind. They are worth adding to your neighborhood. Production of new things in a factory using machines which use fuels can produce lots of gases polluting atmosphere and contributing to global warming. If you know how much energy it took to make things, would you try to use less stuff? Try to reuse and recycle as many things as possible. Spread the word about solar and wind energy. As sun shines most of the days and wind never stops blowing, both are the renewable forms of energy. Both can be an endless supply of power if only we can harness it. Turn the lights off when not in use. Disconnect all electrical equipments when not in use. Students can study maximum during the daylight and air dry your clothes instead of machine dry. Wear sweater instead of using heating pads in winter. Riding a bicycle is good too since it saves fuel and is a great exercise. Carpooling with friends is another good way to save on driving. Tell your family opting for e-bills and catalogs. This saves trees by having your family's bills emailed to you instead of coming in the mail on paper. Let's keep them many trees as possible standing to soak up the carbon dioxide. Take help of your teachers. School is a great place to get other kids involved in a green living. Ask your teacher if you can form a group of interested children and make handmade flyers and posters depicting green ways of living. Parents are busy. If you can help green issues easier for them to understand, they might be happier and more willing to go green. Sometimes people don't conserve energy because they don't know how. They also may not know that they can save money by conserving. A cool poster that tells ways to conserve water, energy, gas and resources might be a fun way to spread green thinking. Calculate your impact. Use an online carbon footprint calculator to see how much carbon dioxide your action releases. If you know how you are impacting the planet, you can take steps to change. You are an important in the fight for the environment. Never stop believing that you are making a difference by living green.